Oh, good, we're on. All right. Welcome to another fine edition of In the Kitchen with Samantha and Emma and Doug. If you've been scrolling through Facebook at any point in the last 2 years, you've seen the growing popular recipes where they do the aerial shot and they add a bunch of ingredients and it looks so good and you think, boy, that looks good, but you never actually try it. Well, we're trying it and we're doing a bunch of them. We're doing macaroni and cheese with beer. We're doing, what's Deli doing? We're doing, what's the other one? Pizza ring?
Yeah.
Pizza ring. And then Manny decided she wanted to make beignets as well. So, right now we're in the middle of starting our macaroni and cheese. Water has boiled, pasta is cooking.
Cat's on the counter.
Cat's on the counter. While that is boiling, I think we do something else. Is that right? Melt butter in a clean pot. That's this guy. So we're going to melt this butter. Oh, wrong one. And then we're going to add the flour. This, yeah. Samantha, what are you doing? Thanks. She's eating cheese. Tell me what we got to do next. You excited for this, Emma?
Yeah.
I wouldn't know.
Oh, macaroni and cheese.
We're making macaroni and cheese. We have no idea how this will turn out, but we figure the 1.5 pounds of cheese is a good start. So why don't we wait for the butter to melt and we'll come right back. So it's okay if the butter's brown? Okay, good. We're going to add flour to the brown butter, which is apparently okay. And we're going to mix it.
Yeah, that's what Daddy should be using right now.
Oh, not this? It's fine. Can I have that? Thank you. Good assist. Now, it's imperative that you don't have a lumpy roux. Everyone who's anyone knows that. Right, Samantha? This is awfully lumpy. Where's the next thing that goes in? Pour in beer, cream, then finally cream cheese. Okay, so we mix until it forms a paste. I think we need to lower heat. Okay, it's making a paste. Now, how much beer do we put in? 1 cup? Holy cow. Okay, for today's beer, we're going to be going with a delicious Great Lakes Conway's Irish Ale. That's as German as it's going to get today. We need a cup of it. Is this a cup?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you gotta pour it in. And that look nice. Okay, probably should have done this over the pot. But it's way more fun to watch me try to do this. Oh, that got on the stove. Okay, once you clean up the stove, you're gonna want to stir that pasta. Girls, you're doing a great job of helping. You want to step in? Yeah? And we're going to mix this up. You can really smell the alcohol at 10:30 in the morning. This roux is definitely not lumpy. I can tell you that right now. What's that? Oh, beer can. Okay, once that's been added, you're going to next want to add, where are you going? Just settle in. Beer. Cream. Is that milk?
Yes.
Why do they just call it milk?
We're using vitamin D. It's close to cream.
Step on the cat. Telly, you alright, buddy? That was language from the cat. Okay, milk goes in. Do we need to make sure this looks okay? How's our pasta, Samantha? I'd say the pasta's about done. Why don't we take a quick break and you can check that and then we can keep going here.
Okay.
Are we back?
Yeah.
Okay, so the pasta's ready to be drained. So we're going to do that. Jesus. That startled me. Probably not a good idea to leave the whisk just laying in there. Where'd Emma go? Okay, drain that. Watch the kids. Now, once you drain your pasta, you're going to put it back into the pot. I think it needs to drain for a minute. You gonna sing for us, Emma? Okay. How we doing, Samantha? You doing all right? The cream cheese also went into this off camera. And we're gonna bring this to a low boil. It's hot in here.
So I guess we'll come back.
Is this not exciting enough for you? All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're close to a boil here. We're still trying to shake out the cream cheese that's in here, but I think we have to add more cheese. Add in both types of cheese and stir until melted. What kind of cheese? Oh, that's our mix. Okay. Well, everyone's left except me. Alright, so give it another minute, we'll be back. On your seat. Okay, here, Emma, come here. Oh. Okay, now before you put the cheese in, it's always important to make sure it's good. Okay, open your mouth. Up, up, up. Okay, Emma, you're up. You ready? Look up. Is it good? Okay, now we put this in for everybody else. And we mix. Boy, is this cheesy looking. Holy cow. Now, we melt this cheese down into the other cheese, which there was already some cheese. So we've got a lot of cheese. There's definitely some lump. I would say for next time, make sure you break up your cream cheese a little bit better prior to sticking it in, producer. But we've got a nice thick thing going. She's sucking the cheese off the chair that she missed. Add pasta to the pot. I think I'm going to add the stuff to the pasta. Here we go. You ready, Sam? Big moment. You on the... Oh yeah, that looks good. I don't see how this couldn't be tasty. There's 2 pounds of cheese on it. What you doing with my hot pants? You want to bring it in for a little action shot here?
Hang on.
Tasty.
You should turn on that light.
Is that what I should do? You should talk over the shot. Okay, big moment of truth. Oh no, this is coming to you.
Needs a lot of salt and pepper. And it tastes like beer.
It definitely tastes like beer. I gotta be honest, it tastes like nothing. There's absolutely no flavor in that whatsoever, other than Conway's Irish Ale. Yeah, it needs a ton of salt. So to say that it would be tasty just straight up doing it their way, I would say no. Maybe if we were at Cece's Pizza or something like that.
Let me see if I can fix it.
Okay, well, we got more to cook, so stay with us. We'll be right back. Hey, how's it taste? Samantha. Here, I'll get you some more milk. You try your pasta. Tell me what you think. This is the official, is it good or not?
You're not going to try it?
You're not going to try it? Emma, how's yours? Is it good? We added salt, pepper, and garlic salt to a high degree. And we're gonna throw it in the oven
I hold it.
crisp it up a little. There you go. Okay. You gonna try your pasta? Tell us what you think. I made that special for you.
Dip your pretzel in it.
Oh yeah. Emma, you're missing the bowl, sweetie.
That is just the game.
Oh. That one's been in Emma's mouth. Oh, it was like biting a piece of soggy cardboard. Oh. Yeah, so we're gonna clean up and come back and we're gonna do pizza rings, something like that. I don't know, stay tuned. Oh, that was bad. And we're back. We're making pizza rings. I'm apparently napping. This is wearing us all out. So we're gonna take some crescent dough. Also, we'll have the links to the tasty thing, so you can actually see them do it and judge for yourself how we did. I can't find the place to pick it. Found it. Here, Sam, will you take this and bang it on the counter for me? Hard, go. But like, you can take it like that. Take it, you gotta go. Yeah! Good job. We got one more to do. Here, why don't you move your pillow so everyone can see what's going on? Okay. And your banky, all that, yeah. Go banky! Whoop, this didn't work as well. Okay, you're up. There you go, good job. Okay, now we open these up.
I did it, Daddy.
I saw that. So did everybody at home. What a moment. So proud. Okay, open it up. Gotta get the dough out of it. There we go. We're gonna make some pizza stuff.
Yeah.
Got leftover pizza in the fridge. Okay, you well, let me see what this is. We gotta unroll them.
It's
Not
cold.
at all. Is it cold?
Yeah.
Okay, let's unroll the individual pieces. How's yours look? Well, don't tear it. You just gotta roll it gentle. Like that. This counter's clean, right? Okay, so 2 triangles make a rectangle. Hang on. Here, do that one.
Mommy.
These are sticky.
Can I pause this and help?
No, because it's way. Here, you do that one too. Here, see how much mommy can catch. We'll be right back. Us is.
It got a little destroyed, but you get the picture. Form a ring overlapping
That's
rectangles
good.
of crescent dough.
Now we gotta do the sauce. Oh, what's the puddle on the top of the sauce?
Water.
What's the white stuff?
Bad. Let's
Bad.
pause.
All right, Greg, ready? And we're back. Oh, hey, no white stuff on this. Okay, just to drop back to the macaroni and cheese. Emma so far has eaten all of hers and half of her sister's, so it is at least approved by Emma. Now we're gonna take this sauce that's not bad, and we're just gonna put it around the ring. Yeah, does that look right there, producer lady? You're not the producer, Sam. You're the sous chef. How's that look?
Good. Sprinkle some garlic salt.
Why does your face make that face? Okay, now this is not a Tasty approved ingredient, but based on the last recipe we just did of theirs, they're not big on flavor. Tasty's apparently baked beans, hot dogs, and cottage cheese, but you know, anyway. Next is cheese. Hey girls, you want more cheese? Where's my birds? Okay, Sam, do you like mozzarella? Open your mouth. Up, open. You want some cheese? Okay, we're gonna take some here. Can you help me here? Here, we have to take this cheese and we gotta put it on the food. Set it right on top of the sauce. Just like that. You want some cheese? Open your mouth. Not in the middle. Okay, we got more cheese.
We're gonna do a couple layers of it.
Oh, we are? I thought it was just cheese, pepperoni, oven.
Couple layers.
Oh, okay. Well, then we're going to set that down for a minute. We're going to take some pepperoni. Don't eat that. Interesting. Okay. How's the cheese, girls? I'm going to take some pepperonis. Pepperoni! We're going to... You want a pepperoni? I don't see you enjoying pepperoni as much. Yeah.
You might want to look at Emma.
Oh.
Daddy.
Did you taste that pepperoni and then put it on the food? You did. You licked the pepperoni and then put it... We'll check the film. You're on camera, kid. You just totally licked the food and then put it... Is the cheese good?
Oh.
Yes. Alright. Did we put more cheese on then?
I don't know, do a little more sauce.
More sauce? Okay. So we're way off the reservation now, people. This is not tasty approved. Okay, more sauce. You know, you dip it in marinara, so I don't know how much sauce you really want on this.
Oh, then stop.
Well, I gotta do at least the whole thing now.
Put extra cheese.
Okay. Where'd that come from? Careful, Emma. You alright?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone feel happy how that looks?
A little more cheese.
I'm gonna shut it.
Okay.
Okay, now we gotta fold these up. Yes, sweetie.
Daddy?
Yeah. Daddy.
Look.
Daddy.
Okay.
Emma.
Okay.
Daddy.
Did you seal it all?
Mommy,
On the inside, I mean.
What?
Make sure it
Mommy,
doesn't...
I think I know.
I mean, let's take a quick break here and approve it before it goes in the oven, but I think we're good.
Yeah, and there's your pizza roll ring.
Now make sure we do the side-by-side of Tasty versus Berkeley.
Okay.
This is going to explode in the oven. How long are we putting it in for?
No idea, gotta look.
We'll see in no idea, I have to look, alright?
Okay.
So we have now had it in the oven for 14 minutes, and we have bumped the heat to 375. They gave us a very helpful time on the website of until golden brown, so we're still waiting. We'll be back. What? We doing this? Oh, good. How long did we end up cooking this thing? Anything?
No.
No? Now, as you'll notice, the middle's gone. That's where your marinara bowl goes. But, what do you think? Let's cut it up. Okay, let's cut it in half and see what happens. Ooh, it's flaky. What are there marshmallows in here? Excuse me, I need a fork. Could be hot. Did you warm up some marinara like I asked? Yeah, look at that cheese. Oh, I don't think we need any marinara. Yeah, I think it's good. The garlic salt probably saved it. So, since we have more to do, we have to do beignets later today. So, you're not done watching this yet. We'll see you in a bit. Are we back?
Yeah.
Again? We're still doing this.
And you're still drinking.
Nice. Yeah. Okay. The yeast has risen. Praise be. So, now we take the flour and we flour the surface, right? Yeah? Yeah? Chew. Now we take this and we put it onto the surface, right? So far so good. Then we take our more flour. You want to do that? Well, I offered you the seat and Emma took it. Oh. Okay. You want to do it? Well, hang on, you gotta get a little closer. Maybe Mommy will bring you over here. And maybe you want to get legs out of here. Oh, it's sticking. It's sticking. What's your language? Here, you roll it. You roll. You want to put some flour on? Onto the... Very nice. Keep going. Here, let me do my side. Then you can do more on your side. Mommy hasn't made any noises yet, so it sounds like we're doing okay. How's our thickness?
1/4 inch. Why don't you measure it?
Here, Sam, you keep going. How's it look? You want to hold it? Just take a swing. Do we need more flour? It looks like it's a 1/2 inch. So now we're going to take it and we're going to cut it into 2 by 2 sections here. Hang on. Whoop, down. Okay, hang on. See, I'm done rolling. Alright, keep rolling. I don't care. Make sure you go this way too. Very nice. We all good here? Okay, 2 inches. Hang on. Whoop. Feels like 2. What's going on behind me?
Oil.
Is it deli? Well, I don't want to step on him again. Thank you, Remy, for your contributions are. That's right. Now you'll notice that they're all different sizes. That's because there are some people who like a nice big beignet and others who don't. Okay. That's right. Here, ball this up, throw it at your sister. Okay, we're ready? Now what?
Turn your oil down a bit and put some in. Be careful.
Okay, why don't we take a moment here and put some hands on deck.
Yeah, I would agree.
Okay, now notice I have the spoon. Are we back? And we're back. Okay, spoon. What's the fan? You're gonna yell.
Okay, go.
And we dip it in. And we listen to the sizzle. Can I put some more in? You got one? Okay. Did you hear that sizzle? That's the healthiness baking right into it. Okay, are we back? Well, we're going to flip these once they're golden brown on the one side. Which I don't think I'm going to be a part of because I'm pretty done with all this. Clap your hands. Yeah, take it. Get it and you go. Like LeBron. Is it bath night? Oh, it's not bath night. Alright, so fill it nice. What? No, there's no more flour needed. We've got plenty of flour everywhere. Yeah. So, are they golden brown yet? Anybody? Okay, they're golden brown. So we flip them. Oh, look at that. Luscious. Luscious. Oh, little kids. And we do 2 to 3 minutes on this side. Samantha's working on one right now that Emma took and balled up. Do you want to add a pretty design? Oh, yeah. You want to roll it on there? There you go. Try that. Huffing the paper towels. Go right ahead. Make some holes. Very nice. See you in a minute. Pretty sure you need to check on your kid that just tumbled head first off.
What's amazing about that is she managed to
I'd say they're good.
hand
I think these look good.
not getting hurt.
Okay.
Wow.
I have to get it. Once you take them off the heat, you can start your next one. Now we've done some designing, and we've got some holes in them. When do we do the shirt?
When they cool in a little, in like a couple minutes.
Okay. We're gonna put more in this time because it's gonna take time. What's up?
Keep taking. Let's re-roll this.
How's yours looking there, Samantha? We can get a couple of little guys in there. You, there. They sank to the bottom. We gotta put some sugar on these. We dust it. Like that.
Yeah, good technique.
Okay, now let's try one for effect. What's that big?
Oh, look at you.
They're what? Oh.
You want to do your sign off when you're done pulling those out?
Whoa. I don't think they're done. Did the girls like them? Samantha, did you like it? Ella does. Okay. So did you film our finished product?
I'll take a picture.
Do you think anybody's still watching?
I don't know. I think
Are they watching right now?
Sign off.
Oh, are you
Pay
done?
tribute to David Bowie.
I don't need to do that. Okay, are we done? Are we filming?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. You gotta look that way. Look at mom. Here, Sam. Eat that. But careful, it's hot. Hi. No.
That's a
Okay. So what do I do with these now that they're done?